Action.
That's just cool. I mean, keeping them all within an 8-inch circle at 25 yards like that, that's not bad. I don't know if I can do it at 50.
Most of them, I saw a few flyers.
I'm sure I missed a few times, so I have to review the tape and see how many actually hit. If you're looking for a fun 22, look no further, because that is a fun 22.
Probably work pretty good as a squirrel gun too.
Oh yeah. This is just federal target grade. $22, I think, is what we paid for it. I just refuse to pay those ridiculous prices. They can just keep it. I had a gun show yesterday, and I was actually talking to one of the vendors. He had a gun there I was kind of interested in, and I got to looking at it. And sitting up next to it, he had 525 blocks of federal sitting up there, and he wanted $55 a brick for them. So I just walked off. He was still talking to me as soon as I saw that you know, he's that kind of a vendor that's going to take a $22 brick and turn around and sell it for $55 or $60. He's free to do that. I got no problem with it. It's free enterprise. But I'm not going to buy anything from him. That's just fun. Get my glasses from fogging up. All out.
Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.